In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho CRM account, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to streamline your existing operations, Zoho CRM offers a versatile platform for customer relationship management. Let's dive into the simple yet essential steps to set up your account. Let's start by navigating to the Zoho CRM website. This is the hub from where you'll begin your registration process and eventually manage all your customer information. Once you're on the website, look for the sign up option to get started. You'll be prompted to enter some key details, beginning with your name. Make sure to input your full name, as this helps personalize your account, making it easy for others within your organization to identify you. Next, you need to input your email address. It's important to use an active email that you frequently check, as Zoho will send you notifications and important updates to this address. Also, should you ever forget your password, this email will be essential for the password recovery process. After entering your email, it's time to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and unique, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This will ensure that your account remains secure against unauthorized access. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense. You'll then be asked to type in your contact number. It's advisable to provide a number where you can be easily reached, as Zoho might use this for verification purposes, or if any issues arise with your account. After submitting your contact information, it's time to review Zoho's terms and conditions. Once you've taken a moment to read through the terms, go ahead and click I agree. This indicates your acceptance of their policies and allows you to proceed with the registration. After agreeing to the terms, select Get Started to advance to the next page. Here, you'll be required to enter your company name. This helps Zoho tailor your account setup to better meet your business needs. Following this, specify your company's employee count. This information helps Zoho offer you the most appropriate features and tools. Finally, click on Get Started. This last step confirms and finalizes all of your input data, bringing you to the main dashboard of your newly created Zoho CRM account. And there you have it. You've successfully registered for a Zoho CRM account, ready to begin organizing and enhancing your customer management strategies. Remember, the key to leveraging Zoho is exploring all its features and integrating them into your workflow. Thanks for joining me, and happy managing.